So the background is that I'm working for the Centre of Expertise, which informs Scottish Government on epidemiology to prepare for animal disease outbreaks. And so part of that, I think, is an intersection of science with policy, and understanding where science fits in with the law is, I think, reasonably important. So that was my primary motivation, and I think it's an area of epidemiology that we don't think about very much. So that is on one side, but then the personal side of it was just that I was really interested, and I've been interested for a long time. And so this seemed like a good opportunity because I work full time, and being able to do this by distance was great, really. I thought it was excellent. I genuinely, not to sort of go into hyperboles about it, but I really thought it was an extremely well-run program. It was extremely well structured. It met my expectations, probably exceeded my expectations in terms of, I think, the rigor and the standard of work that the information that we were expected to get, and the information and the manner in which we were supposed to kind of digest it and then comprehensively understand and show our learning. So I was really pleased with it. And the other thing that's great is that the standard of students as well in the Masters is very high. And that meant that actually you're getting a lot of really interesting angles in the discussion that you're exploring from lots of different perspectives. So I thought it was brilliant. There were a couple of topics. So in particular, one of the reasons that I wanted to do the course was I saw that, I don't remember the title exactly, if it's International Health Security module in the Medical Law and Ethics. And I really thought that looked really interesting. And part of what made that module exceptional was the staff who were involved in it, the topics that were involved in it, how we had that discussion. And then, and I really liked the opportunity where I was able to choose my own final essay topic, which allowed me to explore something that that was closer to my work, which was then directly applicable and actually could feed back into my work in a really practical way. So the people that I'm working with could then see the benefit of me undertaking this. So that was really helpful. So I am using it at the minute in my current work. I think I have been asked to do or reflect on certain things that I think have legal aspects, and I've been able to bring something to the discussion that I don't think that I had before this master's. I am hoping to integrate it. Well, I'd like to kind of explore some of the connections that I've made with people in the law school to see if there are ways that we might be able to integrate that into some of the postgraduate teaching in the veterinary school. And at the moment, that's a hypothetical, but an aspiration is what I should say. And then third, if I could, I would love to take this forward. I would be very keen to do kind of more study in the area, so that would be nice. So for the people who are considering the course and maybe haven't decided, I think if you've got to the point where you're even considering it, my advice is just to do it and commit and go for it, because it's just a brilliant experience and a great education and a good asset, I think.